afternoon, everyone. Welcome to Paramount Swiftlet Farm. Here we have our friends, Juniper Bahamundi. She is also watching the birds flying, and of course we have here Teya.
Hello.
What can you say?
Yeah, the birds are flying.
And also we have our friend here, Cardona. What can you say?
Good afternoon. No. Okay, let's go.
Sing! We are watching the construction. We are inspecting the construction. It's already 5 o'clock in the afternoon, as we have already erected 22 posts. So maybe in the next day we can complete this post, and then we can start putting the beam, and we can start piling of hollow blocks, and after that the roofing, and maybe we can finish this in a few months depending on our budget. There's a lot of birds flying. As you can see, my friend over there watching the birds flying, and in a few minutes from now those birds will go inside the building and settle for the night, and after tomorrow morning they will fly away and gather some foods for them, and they feed their youngs, because there inside the building there's a lot of young birds, eggs, a newly hatched bird, and needs food, and their parents, their mother, gather some foods for their babies. Yeah, there are my friends also watching. They observe the activities of the birds, especially in the 5:30 to 6. There's a lot of birds here. Pag-istorya po mo, te, dati atubang po dito, te, Jun. Jennifer is taking a video on their cell phone. Thousands of birds flying around their bird's house.
Abot sila na yung kinaamo na yung pagsugod mo multiply duham na kabot sila sa isa ka niya duha ka buok sa isa ka niya sila ka din